Yeah, let's start the lab. Manage Kubernetes in Google Cloud. Okay, here we have two benefits from this lab. Okay, in the arcade adventure. Okay, in the arcade adventure of the August. Okay, in that arcade adventure, we have this lab. Okay, in first secure analytics, we have this fourth lab. If you do this lab, it will be counted to this arcade one, and also you can claim this badge. If you click this, and you will get the lab. After finishing this lab, you will get this skill badge for free. Okay, you don't need to do the lab entire one. Okay, let's start our lab. Okay, now click as usual, click on and open in the incognito mode. I'm just skipping that part. Okay, after opening in the incognito mode, this is the lab. Okay, now click on cloud shell. Yeah, before starting the lab, okay, I have shared a GitHub link. Open that link, you will redirect it to this. From for the task one, first you need to export all these things. Okay, just copy this and paste on your notepad. Copy like this. Okay, now we need to enter the export repo name. Okay, go back to the lab. Okay, now you can in the right hand side the lab setup. Okay, just scroll down, scroll down. Okay, you can see here repo name is there, right? Click on copy this and paste over here. Okay, no spaces, and we need to enter the cluster name. Okay, and the cluster name, here you can see the cluster name. Copy this and paste over here. Now we need to enter the zone. You can see the zone here. Copy this and paste over here. Then we need to copy the namespace. You can see the namespace. Copy this, paste over here. Then we need to enter the interval that is in the I'll show you later. Now you just see here service name. We need to copy that and paste over here. Okay, now we need to enter the interval. Just click Control F in the Control F. Okay, on the tab, just enter interval. Okay, see, you can see the interval as 45 seconds, which is visible here. Okay, 45 seconds, just copy that. Okay, now paste over here. Okay, now what we need to do, we need to simply copy all these things, copy all these things. Okay, copy over here. Now go back to the lab. Okay, just paste, click enter. That's it. After that, what you need to do, you should go for the GitHub lab again. In the GitHub, just click this second task link. Now paste over here, enter. That's it. It's going to finish in 3 to 4 minutes. That's it. Just wait for some time to execute. Still cluster is being health checked. After this, it will be executed. We need to wait for some time. After cluster health, now it's checking the Kubernetes control plane is healthy or not. Okay, it is also healthy. Yeah, that's it. Now you can see lab got executed. Okay, now go to here. Now click on the score. Okay, now start checking for this. Okay, that's it. Got executed.